na maraming mas bata at mas magagaling
Jill.
na naghihintay para sa slot mo. Sana man lang kung matuto kang magbigay ng
Jill.
konting effort.
Higa na.
And to think, isa
Higa
ka
na.
sa pinaka-senior na faculty member dito. Anong ginagawa mo? You're setting a bad example. Oh, ano? Every time I give you an assignment, lagi kang late mag-submit.
Ay, kayo ba nagawa niyo na yung report? Tapos,
Saka mo na. Tapos na. O ikaw, kailan ka nag-submit on time? Puro ka, procrastination, excuses, lagi na lang may dahilan. Naku, Mr. Goldman, you're setting a bad example. What can you say?
notice.
Ano, te? Niloloko mo ba ako?
Ano?
Ha? I'm warning you, ha? I'm warning you, Mr. Goldman. I need those reports in 30 minutes.
3 times a week may reduce the risk of heart disease and certain cancers.
Jill. Jill.
Del Monte,
Jill.
3 times a week.
O, higa na.
More love.
Jill. Jill. Higa na.
Sana ako naman ang alagaan.
Relax muna sa Daming relaxing rolls
Ayos
with
ka.
Vitamin Extract. Subukan sa sachet na pagod kaya. Ngayon, magaan mo na haharapin ang araw mo sa new Danny Relaxing Rolls with Vanilla Extract. Your child learns
Ayos
about
ka.
food she sees. Finally, nutrition that helps support developing eyes. Routine. Now, drink Riscalone.
Bristley is the best for babies up to 2 years.
It's because I'm more sacred.
Jill.
That's Spanish for oil.
Tulog ka na?
Come on, tools. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Jill.
8.
Tulog ka na ba? Nakayuko eh. Jill, higa daw. Baka mo to. Video ba siya? Jill.
Lang, pag makikibang walang kahirap-hirap. Ipintas lang tayo. Alam